Hi, Lizzie from MosaLingua here. If you're like me, or like 99% of the people I know, you probably spend some time of your day browsing Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Recent studies show that the average person spends nearly 2 hours on social media every day. How about you? Have you ever wondered how much time social media sucks out of your day? Well, if you didn't, don't even bother. Let me start with a social media tip for you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel right now to be sure to get access to all the tips and tricks that our team of language lovers and experts share. Done? Great! And if you're watching this video on Facebook or other social platform, be sure to like it and follow our page. Now, on today's topic, here at MosaLingua, we're all about trying to find new ways to make language learning fun. So, instead of denying yourself the pleasure of something that is potentially a waste of your time, try turning it into an element of interactive and productive fun in your language learning routine. The secret? I'll give you not just one, but 6. Start by following people who are native speakers of your target language. And, of course, interact with them. It's 100% free. Your brain is already used to associating this habit with leisure time, and it's already part of your daily routine, right? So simply do what you usually do, just in the language that you're learning. This way, you can still have fishing, baking, yoga, or whatever you're interested in seeing on your newsfeed, and still improve your language skills at the same time. But remember not to be shy. The key here is interaction. So comment on posts, share them, and discuss them with your friends. You can also follow people who teach the language that you're learning, or even polyglots such as Luca Lampariello, Benny Lewis, or our very own MosaLingua accounts on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. You'll certainly get tons of language learning tips from these guys and from our team. If Facebook is your thing, there are lots of language-specific groups on this platform. Join as many as you're able to find. This way, whenever you check your phone, you have 1 or 2 new interesting posts to read, and another opportunity for exposure to the language you're learning. Besides, joining language-oriented Facebook groups is a great way to make new friends online. Not to mention that interacting with other language students is a good way to keep you motivated to learn, or to help cheer you up when you feel you're not really making as much progress as you'd like. Again, look for your interests, but instead of doing it in your mother tongue, do it in German, French, or Spanish. Learning to make fresh pasta, for instance, is twice as fun if it's in Italian. YouTube might also help to improve your pronunciation. And if you're still a beginner, there's extra help available. You might turn on closed captions or even slow down the video speed. If you're not that into social media and you're more of a Netflix person, you can still do something similar. We have published a video about how to learn languages by watching movies and TV series. And another one specifically on how to learn a language with Netflix is on its way. But you can actually do more than just watch. Update your Netflix profile using the language you're learning to the app itself. This way, whenever you hit the sofa to look for something to watch, you already get exposure to the language you're learning with the movie's descriptions. As you can see, you really don't have to give up your chill time to learn languages. It's way smarter to simply build new learning opportunities into your relaxation time. And, of course, try to make better use of involuntary wasted time, like the time that you spend on the bus going to work or to school, or the time that you spend in line at the bank, or even in the waiting room at the doctor's office. Grab your cell phone, open your MosaLingua app, and learn a few new flashcards. This is another way to turn a potential waste of time into a very productive language learning section. Thanks for watching. See you!
Thanks for watching. Want more videos like this one? Subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell to be notified anytime we publish new language learning content. Click the screen or below to go straight to our app where you can start learning a new language today. See you soon!